In this lecture, we are going to configure SQLite Studio in our system. So what is SQLite Studio? Basically, SQLite Studio is a SQLite database manager. So it is a tool in which we are going to write all our SQL queries. So now you have an option. You can either write SQL queries using command prompt, or you can use SQLite Studio to write all your SQL queries. So it is a portable tool, no need to install or uninstall, just download it and just run the application. So all SQLite 3 and SQLite 2 features wrapped within the simple GUI. So it's a simple GUI tool with features of SQLite 3 and SQLite 2. Okay, it is available in Linux, Mac and Windows operating system. So to download SQLite Studio, I'm going to just click the download button. From here I will download the Windows version. Since I have the Windows machine, so I will download the Windows version. You can also download the Linux version if you have the Linux machine. Also it is available in Mac. So I'm going to download this version, SQLite Studio 3.21. Okay, so since I already have it in my system, so I'm not going to download this. I will just cancel this download. So cancel this. Okay, now I will go into my D directory where this SQLite Studio is present. Okay, so SQLite Studio, this is the SQLite Studio. So I will just click this SQLite Studio.exe. So it's the portable version of SQLite Studio. Okay, so this is the SQLite Studio tool in which I'm going to write all our SQL queries. So look, I have created the database project. Inside this database, I have created some tables: department, employee, employee underscore backup, location, sales table. So these are tables that I have created in project database. So let's create another database. So to create database, I will just add a database. Here I will mention the path where I will create the database. Let's say D directory, D project. So name of database, let's say DICE, DICE. Okay, save it. So this is the directory where D project. So this is my directory where dice.db, this is the name of database. Okay, where this database is stored. So let me just click OK. Look, database has been created. Now I can easily create tables in this DICE database. So in order to create tables in DICE database, I will use the create table command. Create table, then the database name DICE. Okay, so give the name of table, let's say employee capital E, employee company. So let's create this table. ID int name varchar. Okay, so this is how you create a table in this SQLite Studio. So let me just execute this query. A query has been successfully executed. So this is the tool which I'll be using in some lectures. So hope you understood the use of SQLite Studio. Thank you so much and have a great learning.